Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Annie. So, today we are going to do a monthly reading for Gemini for the month of December 2025. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. Okay. So, let's see what do the cards have for you, Gemini. What is the overall energy we have for Gemini in December 2025? What is the overall energy for Gemini in December 2025? What is the overall energy we have for Gemini in December 2025? What is the overall energy for Gemini in December 2025? What is the overall? Oh, wow. Okay, let's see what is the overall energy we have for Gemini. Overall energy for Gemini in December 2025. Overall energy for Gemini in December 2025. Okay. Please clarify Two of Pentacles as overall energy for Gemini. Please clarify Two of Pentacles as the overall energy for Gemini. I just want one card. Okay. Okay, let's see what are the key challenges we have for Gemini in December. Key challenges for Gemini in December. Okay. Oh wow. Please clarify the Moon card as the key challenges for Gemini. Please clarify the Moon card as the key challenge for Gemini. Okay, got it. Let's see what are the actions or advice we have for Gemini in December. Please clarify the Hanged Man. Please clarify the Hanged Man as the action or advice for Gemini in December. Oh. Okay, let's see what are the strengths and opportunities we have. What are the strengths and opportunities we have for Gemini? Okay, please clarify. I think one card flipped. Okay. So, bottom of the deck we have the Empress card. Okay. So, bottom of the deck is basically your recent energies or the energies subconsciously you are having. Okay. So, here it's like you want growth. You are looking for growth. You are looking for recognition. You are looking for that, you know, that reward. You are waiting for that rewards for the work you have done. It can be in your relationship. You are waiting for some kind of, you know, and if you are waiting for the news that for conceiving, so you're just waiting for it, and you know, it's like people are looking towards you kind of with this energy of someone who inspires, someone who grows, and someone who takes care of everyone. But at the same time, you are feeling emotionally tired that you are, you know, there is this energy of waiting and not getting the reward, but not giving up also at the same time, waiting with this energy of hope that the rewards will be, you know, definitely the rewards are definitely coming your way. Okay, so that is what the energy is for you, Gemini. Now, the overall energy for you in December, I see is, you know, you are somewhere busy with so many things. Okay, for some of you, you can be dealing with so many things at a time, maybe your work life and personal life, too many work projects, too many responsibilities. So you are somewhere not able to create a balance or manage things properly, because of which you are overthinking. Okay, there is this struggle of finding a balance going on, and since it is difficult to manage everything at a time, it is kind of creating overthinking and anxiety. Okay, you might also feel emotionally drained. that you might feel emotionally drained, frustrated also at times. I'm seeing during the year, during the month, Gemini, be careful with whom you share your important things with. Okay, don't trust everyone blindly, because there are chances ki people might take advantage of your trust, and they may, there is this energy of something being taken away from you. It can be your confidential information, it can be your secret information, it can be your documents, important documents, it can be something you are trusting someone and sharing things, and then that person is taking advantage. Okay, उस तरह की एनर्जी है. सो डोंट ट्रस्ट एवरीवन ब्लाइंडली. अगर कोई अननेसेसरी डिस्प्यूट है तो आपको उसका पार्ट बनने की जरूरत नहीं है. ट्राई टू come out of that situation and avoid it for your own mental peace. Okay, that is also I am getting. You need to be very careful with your communication, what you are sharing with, and also अगर आप कहीं इन्वेस्ट करने का ट्राई कर रहे हो योर मनी एंड ऑल्सो, आपको बहुत केयरफुल होने की जरूरत है. ओके, हर किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं की करके. गेट द प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग जहाँ पे भी आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, एंड प्रॉपर एनालाइज करने के बाद, चीज़ों को ऑब्जर्व करने के बाद, सारी डिटेल्स लेने के बाद ही आप कोई डिसीजन लेना. ओके, दैट इज ऑल्सो आई एम गेटिंग फॉर यू. ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स से आप थोड़ा सा बच के रहो. आपको उसमें इंटरफेयर करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इन्वॉल्व होने की जरूरत नहीं है. किसी के लिए किसी भी तरह से मजाक में भी आपको कोई कमेंट पास करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू नेवर नो व्हाट हाउ पीपल विल टेक दैट अगेंस्ट यू. ओके, सो उस चीज से आपको बहुत केयरफुल रहने की जरूरत है. Okay, now coming to the key challenges for you, I see there are as I said, आपको growth चाहिए, आप rewards के लिए wait कर रहे हो, but there is subconscious fear कि मैंने ऐसा किया तो I don't know what will be the outcome. अगर मैंने ऐसा नहीं किया तो ऐसा तो नहीं मेरे से कोई opportunity मिस हो जाएगी. So बहुत सारा कुछ चल रहा है आपके माइंड में, बट योर सबकॉन्शियस फियर्स आर पॉपिंग अप विच आर नॉट लेटिंग यू टू डिसाइड और कम टू अ कंक्लूजन. दिस इज ऑल्सो कनेक्टिंग विद दिस कार्ड कि आप डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रहे हो कि आपको किस चीज पे फोकस करने की जरूरत है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओवर थिंकिंग हो रही है. ठीक है, आप हो सकता है फॉर सम ऑफ यू इट कैन बी आपको अपना बोलते हैं ना, आपको तीनों नाड़ियों को बैलेंस करना है, ईड़ा पिंगला सुषुम्ना. ओके, तो उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा मेडिटेशन करने की जरूरत है. आपको अपने आप को हाइड्रेट रखने की जरूरत है, अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल करने की जरूरत है, सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड क्लियरली व्हाट इज दैट यू एक्चुअली वांट. ओके, मे बी फॉर सम ऑफ यू आई सी रिलेटिंग टू योर इन्वेस्टमेंट, रिलेटिंग टू योर मनी, आप थोड़ा ज्यादा कंसर्न हो कि यहाँ पे मुझे इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए या नहीं, मुझे कितने रिवॉर्ड्स मिलेंगे. फॉर सम ऑफ यू, अगर आप अपना पूरा वेल्थ अगर किसी भी चीज में लगाने का ट्राई कर रहे हो तो डोंट टेक दैट स्टेप. बहुत केयरफुल एनालाइज करने के बाद, चीजों को डिस्कस करने के बाद आप ऐसा कोई डिसीजन लीजिएगा. ओके, देयर इज ग्रोथ, but you need to come out of your subconscious fears. Okay, to come out of that subconscious fear you need to get the proper information, and जो भी आपको डाउट है, आपका गट फीलिंग बोल रहा है ना, अगर कुछ सही नहीं है तो वो सही नहीं है, तो आप उसको पूरा एनालाइज करो, उसके बारे में पूरी जानकारी लीजिए और फिर उसके बाद उसमें डिसीजन लीजिएगा. ओके, आई सी देयर इज ग्रोथ कमिंग इन फॉर यू, बट आप हो सकता है कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस जैसे आपको, अगर आप जॉब के लिए देख रहे हो, यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब एंड यू गॉट सम इंटरव्यू कॉल. ओके, बट आपने उसको निग्लेक्ट कर दिया कि आई डोंट नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कंपनी इट इज, एंड यू नेवर नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कंपनी इट इज, राइट. सो आप अपने तरफ से तो आप अपना एफर्ट्स डाल सकते हो ना बात का, तो फिर एवरीथिंग हैपेंस. तो you need to grab that opportunity for your own growth, because there is good news coming in, there is growth coming in, there is, for some of you I see there is rewards coming in. All right, so you need to be very careful in managing your important things and sharing your things with everyone. Don't trust everyone blindly. Listen to your gut feeling, you listen to your instinct, connect with yourself through meditation, and after proper analysis and thinking, observations and getting as much details as possible, उसके बाद में कोई decision लीजिएगा. Okay, you may not be getting the rewards, but it will take some time, but it will happen, because here, as I said, right, bottom of the deck, the energies, you will get the reward, but वो थोड़ा सा time ले रहा होगा, so आपको थोड़ा impatient होने की जरूरत नहीं है, right. So just relax, do some meditation, as I said, to calm your emotions down. Okay, now the action or advice here we have for you is, you might feel, see, these both are major arcana cards. Okay, the one is the Hanged Man, means the things are not moving ahead. Okay, things, you might feel ki how long will I have to wait for my rewards to come. Okay, so you might feel कि चीजें अटक गई है, आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा है, यू आर नॉट सीइंग दैट ग्रोथ, यू आर नॉट सीइंग दैट outcome. Okay, but at the same time this card says that you need to stop, you need to take a pause and connect with yourself to understand what is that you are actually focusing on or focused on. Okay, for some of you it can be your frozen emotions कि आप for whatever reason, it can be, for some of you it can be the past experience, past traumas, uh, a betrayal. For some of you, I'm getting it strongly that there is this energy of the trust being broken. Okay, so for some of you, you may have आपने अपने इमोशंस को फ्रीज कर लिया, यू आर नॉट शेयरिंग, यू आर नॉट ओपनिंग अप, यू आर नॉट लेटिंग पीपल कनेक्ट विद यू एट एन इमोशनल लेवल, राइट? सो यू नीड टू कनेक्ट विद योर सेल्फ. आपको थोड़ा सा सॉलिट्यूड में जाने की जरूरत है, आपको थोड़ा सा अपने आप को डिस्टेंट करने की जरूरत है, सो दैट यू कैन लिसन टू योर इनर वॉइस इंस्टेड ऑफ द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड, आउटसाइड नॉइज. ओके, तो आपको थोड़ा सा अपने आप से कनेक्ट करने की जरूरत है टू कम आउट ऑफ दिस हैंग्ड एनर्जी. ओके, सो वंस यू हैव द क्लैरिटी ऑन what is that you need to actually work on, you will be able to focus on that and work towards it to come out of this stuck energy. Okay, for some of you I see that because you are dealing with so much, you are not getting the rewards, and there is this energy of I am waiting for the rewards to come. Sorry, I am waiting for the rewards to come. It is somewhere making you feel frustrated, and because of that you might feel कि I don't have enough time and I don't want to wait for so long. Okay, so you need to connect with yourself to calm yourself down. Again, as I said, this card also says for you to meditate, and this also came from the moon card, right? So try to connect with yourself through meditation, drink a lot of water, and work on your emotions also, is what I'm getting for you. Now, the strength and opportunity for you, as I said, there is growth coming in for sure. There is some kind of communication coming towards you which will give you growth. As I said, maybe आप जिस rewards का wait कर रहे हो, there are good chances कि you will get the fruits of your hard work. Okay, आपको rewards मिल सकते हैं, recognition मिल सकता है. You need to be foresighted. आपको अपने goal की तरफ पैशनेट होने की जरूरत है. यू नीड टू टेक दैट स्टेप, यू नीड टू टेक द एक्शन हियर रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, आपको फॉर ग्रांटेड नहीं लेना है चीजों को. एज आई सेड, यू नीड टू बी वेरी क्लियर and determined and focused to see the results, because whatever you will work on, you will get the growth, you will get the reward, and there is growth coming in. Okay, but the main thing is you need to be very clear. Okay, you need to be very clear on your action, on your plans, on your strategy. चीज़ों को प्लान करके प्रायोरिटाइज करके आप एक्शन लोगे ना, सो इट विल बी मच इजी फॉर यू टू वर्क टूवर्ड्स योर गोल ऑन प्रायोरिटी बेसिस. ओके, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल बी एबल टू क्लोज थिंग्स बाय वन थिंग एट अ टाइम. ओके, उस तरह का एनर्जी है. So this is a reading for you, Gemini. If you have liked it, please do like this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.